Let's connect to a remote Ubuntu EC2 instance from Amazon and use that instance for our project. This eases our task as Windows machines are not always development friendly. So usually Windows instances are associated with some problems which might not make our development process easy, and Ubuntu machines are mostly preferred. So since we are developing our project on Windows, and if we don't have any Ubuntu machine, we can always connect to a remote Ubuntu instance, which is like a computer on cloud. So we can connect to that and use that. So basically connecting to an Ubuntu EC2 instance means accessing an Ubuntu computer which is on cloud and using that instance via the command line of our computer. So let us work with that Ubuntu machine. So let us launch a free tier Ubuntu machine from AWS and then connect that EC2 instance from our local Windows machine. Now go to AWS, sign in. Login. Now click on EC2. Instances. Launch instance. So here we have all the kind of instances which we could use. So I'm searching for Ubuntu and we can see Ubuntu server 20.04 LTS. So I'm going to select this and 64-bit. So prefer using the free tier eligible instances. Review and launch. Okay. Launch. So here we are asked to download any key. So for your information, a key pair consists of a public key that AWS stores and a private key file that you store. Together, they allow you to connect to your instance securely. Okay, so basically we can create a new key pair and give that key pair name like my AWS Ubuntu key. Okay, and then download key pair. So it downloaded and launch instances. So it shows our instance is launching. View instances. So this is what is being created right now. Okay. So in our downloads, this is the key which we have downloaded from AWS. So using this key, we can be we will be able to connect to our Ubuntu machine on cloud. So we will connect to that once our instance is ready and launched from AWS. So yeah, so it shows it is running right now. Okay. So now let us refresh this. And the status checks are still being continued. So once everything is fine, we can just proceed to that. This might take a bit of time, so don't worry. Yeah, so this is done now. So let us go to the command line and then my key file is present in downloads. So I'm just traversing to the downloads and then I will be using a command which will help me to connect to the remote Ubuntu instance which we have launched right now from our command line. Okay, so the command is like this: ssh -i and the name of our key. For me, I have named it as my Ubuntu AWS key. Okay, then .pem, which is this is as a whole the file name which we have downloaded. You can cross check that. Okay, and then we shall connect to that instance using the IP address of that. Okay, so here when I click on this, this is the public IPv4 DNS, right? So we will be using this in order to connect to this instance. So copy this using this symbol. And now, so since we are using Ubuntu machine, we should write Ubuntu at space should be there here. Yeah, Ubuntu at paste this. So this is the same IP address which we have copied from here. So this is the one. Okay, so we just need to copy that and hit on enter. Okay, so the name is actually my AWS Ubuntu key. My AWS Ubuntu key. Yeah. So are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes. So if you observe now, we have connected to that Ubuntu with this IP address, right? So let us just ls and there is nothing. So this is the new instance which we have created and launched, and we haven't used it till now. And that is the reason when we do ls, it is not showing anything. Okay. So to exit out from this, we can write exit, hit enter. Okay. Now we are back to our normal Windows, right? So we have seen how to connect to a remote Ubuntu instance on cloud.